it's Gina with WTI, and I want to tell you about the slippers that my husband has been using every single day. These are Krump Clog slippers from LazyStep. My husband loves to walk outside in his slippers, and these have been so perfect because they have a really nice waterproof sole that's very thick and sturdy. My husband says the memory foam sole is very comfortable, and the faux fur is super soft and cushy. He likes to wear these without socks, but if he is going outside and he has socks already on, he can just slip his feet right on in and walk out with his socks on as well. My husband normally wears a size 10.5, and when we read the sizing guide for these slippers, we went ahead and got a size 11, and they fit him well. We got the color tan, and it has a really nice suede-like look to it. And this color is perfect because he does wear them outside, like I said, which tends to get a little dirty, so this helps to hide the dirt. There is a small heel portion on the back of the shoe that's a little more than 1 inch long. It helps to keep your foot in place, but it doesn't make it so that it's not really easy just to slip them on and go. My husband's been really pleased by the look of these, how they feel, and that he can wear them inside or outside, and that's our point of view.